I just started stream. You can still show me, but what up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What's up, guys? How we feeling? We got the mic going. Yeah, mic's working. What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm gonna promote stream on IG really quick. Give me a second. I'm gonna promote stream on IG really quick. Let me promote stream. Let me promote stream. Let me promote stream. Let me promote stream. Free R. Kelly. Whoa. Good morning, George. Good morning, George. Free R. Kelly. That's what George says. That's not my words. Free R. Kelly. That's crazy, my boy. All right, let's do this thing, bro. Let's do this thing. You guys know the deal. What are some quick prompts? I downloaded Trade GPT, but the wording is tricky. Yeah, it is tricky. I mean, when you're trying to get specific information out of a language model, the language is tricky. So, Patrick, do you have Instagram? If you have Instagram, I will send you my prompt packs on Instagram. It's the easiest way for me to drop the PDF. I did it for a bunch of people yesterday. This is my prompt pack. I'm gonna walk you guys through what I'm doing here. What are some quick? Okay, so George is just copying and pasting what Patrick said. George, go take a lap around the building, my boy. What's up, Skip? How you feeling, bro? What's up, Eric? Eric G's back in the building. Eric G said he'd be back on Thursday, so it's Thursday. He's back. What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? All right, guys. Remember, Trade GPT is not Chat GPT. We got to remember that, because if we try these prompts, guys, if we try these prompts on Chat GPT, it's I'll pull my IG really quick, because I'm gonna get right to trading, but I'm gonna hook you up while we go through, because I'll read my prompts. This is my IG, so it's Algo AI Trading. I gotta find a less confusing name, and then if you guys go to my following, you could also see Trade Algo's regular accounts, which is, still follow those accounts too. Like I should be shouting them out way more, because that's who I'm doing this with, is Trade Algo. So this is my Instagram, Pat. It's Algo AI Trading. And then the cool thing about Instagram is whenever I go live, I always post it on my story. I just posted this, this is the promotion I was talking about. If you guys go on my live, you can see, and then I post clips, right? This is my clip on the trade I did on Oracle, right? So you guys get to see all, kind of like the deconstruction of these live streams, that you guys get to see my content where I'm talking about the market, talking about market moves, other things like that. Drop a follow on IG right now, Patrick, and before I get active right now, I'm waiting for your DM, my boy. And then just DM me. So follow me and DM me, and I will I'll get you right. I will get you right, my bro. And we're gonna get going. Patrick, follow me on Instagram, and I'll send you the prompts. But I gotta get going, because this market is taking a dive right now, and I'm trying to catch the wave. Patty, let me know when you're locked in, bro, because I'm gonna help you out on it. Yeah, okay. Send me a DM. Let me know when you DM my Instagram, and then I'm gonna send you the prompt pack real quick. But let's start. So we're here on Trade GPT right now. Remember, Trade GPT is Trade Algo's language model that scans through Trade Algo's data terminals, right? Why are Trade Algo's data terminals better for trading in the stock market versus any other language model like ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, DeepSeek? Doesn't matter. Well, it's simply because Trade Algo's Trade GPT is scanning through real-time stock market data, right? So when I go in and I prompt one call, let's see if it gives me that same trade, Skip. I'm gonna take it anyway, right? I'm gonna take it anyway because that's I'm not gonna break. It's a taboo for me to not trade what Trade GPT gives me. It really depends on if it gave you a short call or a long call. And I'll kind of break that down when I enter this prompt into Trade GPT, Skip. So you'll follow along with me, like let me risk my money on that kind of stuff, right? But then the other conversation is are you gonna let me make money while I do this? But and also, guys, okay, Patrick just DM me. All right, cool. Let me get you right, Patrick. Let me go here. All right, cool. I'm gonna send you the prompts right now. Hey, all right, sent. All right, cool. Let's go to this prompt pack that I just sent Patrick, and let's choose my favorite prompt. We always start the day with the same prompt. It's this one right here. It's basic options trade. Use anytime the market's open. It says I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. It says I don't care what company it is. It says I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. All right, great, Pat. Yeah, I got you, bro. I don't care what company it is. I don't want a... Oh, George says it hits different on mute. Okay. I guess, bro. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis and recommendation. So what I'm telling Trade GPT to do is bypass all market research and give me a trade to take right now. And then I'm going to just take the trade, right? So I'm going to ask Trade GPT to do this. Now we're going to look at what Trade GPT analyzes. Regardless, we'll still take a trade, but here we go. So it's first going to analyze information. It's going to go through dark pool data exchanges in the stock market. All right, let's see. Oh, damn, looks like we've got the same. Is this the same exact trade, Pat or Skip, that it gave you? Was it the $13 ask on this 26th of September? We're going to take it anyway. I'm still going to take this. We got cleaned up on well, let me go to my Weeble really quick, because I haven't even checked my position. Bro, I ended up making money on this. I'm gonna pop this in right now. I'm already up 1%. Let's kind of break this down. I'm gonna hop in at 1280. Let's break this down, guys. I just did this right now. Hold on. We'll go to my entry here in a second. 165, 26th of September. This is what it gave me yesterday. I'm already in this trade. So we're just gonna hold on to this. Now guys, look at my entry price. I got in yesterday at 1280. But if it's gonna give me the same trade, I'm not gonna go in and deconstruct and reconstruct the trade. Right? So this is my Nvidia 165 right now. If it just gave me this again, so we'll go through and play ball on this. Now I'm gonna be a little bit stricter on sticking to my ask and my take profit today, just because we had a really choppy market. We have a $13 ask and a $14.30 take profit. So then that goes into my next point, right? I'm not shooting for 1,000,000% on these trades. I'm not shooting for 100%. This isn't even a 50% return, right? When you take something from $13 to $14.30, you're looking at like a 10, 7, 5% return, right? And then my stop loss here is here at 1170. Okay, so what I'm doing here is what's up, John A? How you feeling, Dr. Freak? What's going on, bro? So this is what it's all about. When I take my profit at $14.30, I'm going to. That's what it's all about. Right, Trade GPT gave me another Nvidia call. So Skip, is this the same Nvidia call I just gave you? Because I'm writing this right now. What's up, Nikolai Tesla? We're already back. We're back in it. We're up $105. Any trade? So yeah, this is what I've got right now. I literally just did this today. This is my one prompt from today, right? So we could go to Trade GPT. I'll zoom in. This is today. I'd like an in-the-money options trade. I have this selected, and then I copied and pasted the prompt from yesterday, guys. So remember that prompt pack I sent you yesterday, number 3 in the prompt pack. I said I'd like an in-the-money options trade to take right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I said I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Nikolai Tesla in chat, 369. What is 36? Oh, 369. Yeah. Those are like the trinity of numbers for Nikolai Tesla. He would make decisions based off that. You know, I follow a lot of that myself, is the numerology and other things like that. I always think it's good luck when what up, Johnny 9? Johnny 9, look where we're at, bro. We're back in it. This Nvidia 165. Bro, remember we were down 4% yesterday? I told you guys. I literally, if you were on my stream yesterday, I told you guys this would end up in a profit. That's why I didn't sell it. And then when I asked Trade GPT again for a trade today, it gave me the exact same play. So I'm very bullish on this position for Friday. Let's look here, guys. We're gonna rock out here. I'm gonna zoom in, and then we're gonna draw some lines here. We're gonna draw a take profit line at 179 flat. So we're gonna draw this line here, and then we're gonna draw an exit line or a stop loss line at 1676. Bing bong. Guys, when I draw these lines, it's literally just like caveman lines. It's like, this is the red line means bad. If it hits the red line, it's bad. If it hits this blue line, we're good. Let me I'll add some text here. Take profit and stop loss. How simple is that? How do you guys like that for drawing lines on a chart? So we're at 178.02. We're gonna take profit when the stock goes up $1. Yeah, I know, exactly. That's why it's like you're. I mean, when I'm not doing stop loss, I'm like, I recommend you all do stop loss, because I do not hit my stop loss a lot more times than I hit my take profit. Well, I mean, I want that to sound better. I hit my take profit a lot more before it hits my stop loss. Yesterday the market was shitty, right? Yesterday the market was ass, but we're looking at some good pressure coming in. So what I'm on right now is trade algo. So I can go down here and scroll down, and I can look at this options chain, and I can also look at the live option summary, and I can see here, right, when I go on this live option summary, I can see the call premium on Nvidia, right? That's a powerful thing about using Trade Algo's tools, is I can see the call premium, the amount of calls coming in on the stock, right? So I can go and I can narrow this down here to the next 15 days, and I can see that in the next 15 days, 90% of the contracts that are expiring in the next 15 days are all calls, right? So when you see something like that, right, you don't want to be the jabroni that's over here, the 9.1% of people, the 36 million versus 388 million that's taking puts. No, I didn't. I since it gave me the exact same position as yesterday, guys, I went in and I just kept my position. Caught it for an 18% gain. Where did you get the call from? Bang, let's go. I'm just pulling up my return on the video right now. So we were at 1% 5 minutes ago. Now we're at 3.13%. Did you get the Microsoft trade from Trade GPT, Skip? Skip, my boy. Bro, I tell you the truth. If you will see my work, you will make millions with that, because I use If you will see my work, you make millions of that because you use AI like a pro. What is your work? What is your work? Shady Fitness. I don't see any work here. I didn't want to do the video call, bro. That's what I'm doing the video call. So we'll keep rocking out on this video call. So entered with 10 units on a regular long position. Did you what expiration and what strike price on the video? Bang, let's go. I'm up 500. I'm up 500. Guys, we'll line this up. I'll kind of show you what I'm doing here. And Johnny, since it gave me the same position, I would have, if I would have hit my stop loss, I still would have entered in at the same position anyway, and I still would be at a profit. So think about it like that. Like if I would have hit my stop loss and sold out, I still would have grabbed the same position because it literally gave me the same exact trade as yesterday. It's like we're running it back, right? You guys probably don't watch anime, but it's like when Gojo was facing Sukuna. And Gojo failed his first domain expansion. Then he hops back and he's like, "We're gonna take it from the top." So we're gonna take it from the top here. Yeah. So I can also sell it tomorrow, Johnny. It'll expire on the 26th at the end of the day, at the end of the market day. My take profit's 179. Does that make, because Johnny, like, regardless, because I didn't close out of this because I was bullish on this position, but even if I would have hit my stop loss, I would have re-entered here, and then I'm already up that amount of money that I would have lost today. What's up, Don? What's good, bro? We're in this Nvidia trade. So I asked Trade GPT again today. So I sent you the prompt. I used prompt number 3, and I said I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I said I don't care what company it is. I said I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on the option. So I just said this today again, and it gave me the same exact Nvidia call. And I was already in the trade, right, at around $12.80, and it told me to buy in at $13. So I was like, I already have the trade at $12.80. So I made $4 so far. Let's go, bro. 10 units. Is that 10 shares? Mikey? What? If someone buys 10 units of a Nvidia long, is that 10 shares? Or is that 10,000? Yes, 10 shares. Okay, cool. I lost out on Nvidia today, but up 250. What did you do on Nvidia? I'm up 5% right now. We're at 170 at 53. Okay, I got you, bro. Does it often give you the same trade in a week? Yeah, it will. So like, think about it like this. Guys, Trade GPT, it's not looking at the news on the internet, right? Trade GPT isn't Chat GPT. Trade GPT is looking at institutional market volume. So it's literally looking at dark pool trades that are happening behind closed doors. Now, when we use that premise, we're going to go based off what banks are buying a lot of. And banks and institutions and hedge funds love Nvidia. They love AI infrastructure. So you're going to end up with a lot of big tech. You're going to end up with a lot of trades on Google, Apple, other things like that. What up, Olufun Malayo? What's up, my boy? Dude, we're gonna hit this take profit. I'm gonna trim. So I have 7 positions. I'll trim 3 of these at take profit, and then I'm gonna keep it rolling because I have a feeling we'll keep cooking here. We're gonna hit this take profit, boys. We're gonna hit this take profit. I might move this line, but it's okay. 1345. What was my take profit on this trade? 1430. So we might move our take profit. This is a new take profit. Up 8%. Are you playing ball, Johnny? Let's go. Yeah, I'm up 9%. I'm up 8.98%. Bing bong. That's what it's all about. New to trading here. What's up, Asvins? Paper trading it. Okay, that's what's up, man. But you gotta get used to it somehow. When I was paper trading, I was putting like $1 million a position. All right, yeah, now I'm up 8.98%. We're at 13.95, so we're taking profit at 14.30. What's up, bro? Just learning off how I watch. Any idea if Webull can sell 1 or 2 contracts? Yeah. So when you press the position and you press sell, you can there's like a little thing that says how many contracts you have. You just decrease it to the amount of contracts you want to sell. So how many of these contracts do you have, Johnny? Hey, drop a like on the stream if you're in here. Drop a like on the stream if you guys haven't already yet. Drop a like on the stream. 7. Okay, yeah, you're right where I'm at. What was your entry? On my label, that's me. This will T. This will Trey. Yeah, hey. Do you think CLS put orders every time or once a week when they execute prices with time sequence? Nah, they're doing orders every day, bro. 1285. Okay, yeah, right where I'm at. So you should be up 9% now, right? If I'm not mistaken. You should be up 9% now. Guys, we're gonna hit this 1,000 in record time, bro. It's been 20 minutes since we started stream. Now I'm up 9.38%. How much do you make a day average just trading? I shoot for 1,000 a day. Sometimes I make way more. Sometimes I lose money. I lose money a lot less than I make money. All right, we just hit our take profit. I'm gonna trim. Nvidia gonna hit 180. Bro, if it hits 180, we're both happy. Bang, I'm in double digits. I'm at 10% return. Guys, this is what it's all about. This is literally what it's all about. Game of probability. I'm gonna take the probability of banks, institutions, and hedge funds buying stocks versus not. Johnny, let's trim when you hit 10%, and then let's keep it rolling. We just hit our take profit. Bing bong. Average hit rate, I'm trading at a 80. Now this trade right here, because I didn't close it out, this brings it to a 84% success rate. Yeah, you can do it on Robinhood, Patrick. It's just you gotta know how to operate a Robinhood to trade options. All right, I'm trimming. I'm just gonna trim one contract, honestly, because I'm happy with what I'm doing. All right, yeah, I just filled. All right, now I'm up. I'm up almost 11%, Johnny. So you should be at double digits. Yeah, now I'm up. I'm up. It just went from 11% to back to 10%. Yeah, here we go. Now I'm up. Now I'm up 11%. I trimmed one contract, so now I have 6. I have 6 positions. We'll draw another take profit line. I'm going to change this to take profit 1. And then we'll do take profit 2. $180.46. What are you thinking, guys? You closed 5 units. Good stuff, man. Good stuff, Nikolai Tesla. Good stuff. What are you trading on, Nikolai Tesla? We're already cooking, guys. Nikolai Tesla, where are you at in the world? Don, do you see how much easier my trading strategy is compared to yours? Israel? Oh, shoot. Right on, bro. Do you guys have the ability to use Weeble in Israel? Don, do you literally see how I'm asking Trade GPT what to do, and I'm not drawing any like support or resistance lines? I'm not looking at liquidity sweeps. I'm not doing anything like that. No, you don't. Okay, yeah, you got to use interactive then. One of my people from Spain use interactive. It is, but it's not. Bro, I'm literally copying pasting AI trades into my brokerage. Yeah, bro. Then you gotta like learn the game, scrape your knees by paper trading, and then start. I wish you could send your chart. Send it to me on Instagram, bro. DM me on Instagram. Did you hit me on Instagram yesterday? If you hit me on Instagram yesterday, I'll pull up your chart. Bro said get on your knees. George, you get on your knees. No, I don't have Insta. You want to email it to me? Yeah, now I'm up 12%. Johnny, what are you working with, bro? What did you trim? Johnny, how much did you trim at our first take profit? How much did you trim at your first take profit, Johnny? Guys, yesterday's stream was lit. The morning streams are never as lit as the afternoon streams, except, I mean, I make money in the morning. You sold 3. Good stuff. A new subscriber. What up, more? Yeah, guys, drop a like and a sub if you're in here. Invest with Alex. Are you following what I'm doing here, bro? This 165 on the video? So I went and did it again. Can we do a programming question? Bro, I'm going to do trivia after I make my 1,000. You can see I'm $10 away, though. Can we do trivia, please? This is boring. George, shut up. I got an Nvidia before the stream. Okay, that's what's up. Did you use Trade GPT? Alex says jump. AI guy says how high. Okay. Invest with Alex owns you. Oh my god. Bunch of brokies in here. You guys are seeing this, right? I mean, like, there's not really a way to like deny what I'm doing here. Like, I'm literally copying and pasting a trade. I genuinely don't think there's a streamer on YouTube doing it as simple as me. Right, and as my stream grows and grows, you are, Karine says, what is this? You see my last Q? What'd you say, Alec? Or what'd you say, my boy? Patrick, what'd you say? Okay, so like most videos on YouTube are at least motivated ones, or at least the motivated ones. How much can you start with? Like I said, bro, I would learn the basics and learn how to operate options trades, like closing them out, placing them, and understanding how to do options trades before you go in and start investing with your money. Or you send it to my email. All right, let me look. Let me look real quick. Go to my Gmail. Oh, I got you, Don. This is Don's picture he sent me. All right, it looks pretty simple. This is the picture Don sent me. Don, kind of break down what's going on here, bro. What do you got? What's the minimum amount needed to trade options? You can do it with $100, but I just would recommend you start slow. You just have to ask Trade GPT for premiums under 50 cents. Under 20 cents. They exist, but it's like it's going to be a slower grind. And you have to be okay with making 5%, bro. And you have to be okay with making 10% on your $100. Like $5, you have to be okay with making $10 because that's like what the start is. Donnie, break down what's going on here, bro. 179.28. All right, I just made 1,000. I just made 1,000. You up 1,000 yet, Johnny? You're like right behind me at a 5. You're at a 5% difference on these contracts. Do you know about Malaysian SNR? No, I don't know what Malaysian SNR is. What up, Drogba? Booked. George Haber says, what are you? I don't know what's happening here. How can I learn as a beginner? I'm copying and pasting. What's Malaysian SNR? I'm copying and pasting the trade that Trade GPT gives me into my brokerage. Look at my chart. You'll see the best entry for this trade and where you got in. Where was the best entry on that picture? Since I sold 3, up around 680. Yeah, now I'm up 1,000 since I sold 1 out of my 7. We took the same amount of contracts. Previous day high low. Okay. So you see, Don, I haven't ever done trading like looking at highs and lows and like looking at like support and resistance and optimal entries. Like I literally am copying and pasting whatever the stock's at. I just trade it based on what Trade GPT tells me to do. George says, what the F is going on? Where am I? Patrick Viana says, I'm trying to gain that knowledge. Yeah, bro, of course. Felicia McKenzie says, how do you use ChatGPT to do it? All right, I do not, guys, I do not use ChatGPT. I do not use ChatGPT. I use Trade GPT. Trade GPT by Trade Algo. I'm going to post the link for it. It's free. But you guys have to remember, if you try to use ChatGPT with these trades, you will lose because ChatGPT does not have access to real-time stock market data. Not as long as the trend is respecting the 9 EMA. Yeah, see, I don't know what that is. Don, like I'm a very, very simple investor. I'm copying and pasting what AI tells me. Paul, what does GPT stand for? Is that a trivia question? Alex, are you seriously asking me what GPT? Alex, invest with Alex. What's up, STR Kinglick? Guys, I'm using Trade GPT by Trade Algo. It's not Chat GPT. $170 call, 3 expiration, 685 to 830 in an hour. Great stuff. Great stuff. Alex, did you use Trade GPT for it? Because I know you told me you don't day trade, and that's a faster trade than what I would expect you to do. Previous low was 176.27. What did I buy? Nvidia. I got in around 177. Use Trade GPT. Hey, there you go, bro. Alex, there you go, man. Just one contract for fun. There you go, bro. That's what's up. Don, are you using Trade GPT? What's the link? Okay, I'm gonna post the link for Trade GPT. Give me a second. I'll do it right now. Give me a second. Give me a second, boys. Give me a second. I'm gonna post the link. Yeah, Alex, how long have you been watching my stream? Guys, you guys think we're gonna hit this take profit too? I watch him 24/7. I have a camera in his room. Alex was saying some really funny stuff yesterday. The trade it's not ChatGPT thing starting to become a meme. Hey, real shit, Don. You think we're gonna hit take profit too? What's Nvidia all-time high? Oh, bro, we're literally like riding an all-time high. Yeah, it takes the emotion out of trading. Exactly, because you get your stop loss and you got your exit price. It's huge. Most of the Max 7 is going down. Only Nvidia is going up. Yeah, why? I mean, like, but here's the thing, guys. I didn't know that. I just placed the trade that Trade GPT gave me. Right, and the reason why Trade GPT smacks like it does is because it's not looking at the internet, guys. If it was looking at the internet, it'd go based off speculation. It's going off of what banks, institutions, and hedge funds are buying right now. What goes up must come down. So when do you decide to pull out, bro? I just took a trim here. But I should close out with this 1,000. But it's free, Don. You can use it from your computer. That link, you can use it from your computer. It's not just the app. Oh, guys, what the fuck, man? Look at this. Look at this. I'm going to show you guys something. Johnny, what are you at now, profit-wise? What are you at now, profit-wise, Johnny? I don't read the charts. 852. Johnny, when you have a bankroll, you're going to start making money like me. I'm at 16% profit. You guys think we're going to hit, you guys think we're going to hit 182 today? It's still early. Yeah, bro. I gotta be smart here. I think I should take another trim. Just follow me on Instagram, Nikolai Tesla. Damn, Trade GPT was giving me the right trade this morning. Yeah, I know, Skip. Yeah, Johnny Nine's paper trading. Is just holding it out gambling? Yeah, basically, Johnny. Can you do another trade, Crypto Warrior? Yeah, I can do another trade. Fuck it, I'll do another trade. I'm going to use a different prompt. So, guys, remember, I'm using Trade GPT. I'm not using Chat GPT. So this is what I asked this morning. And then, guys, for everyone in here who also used Trade GPT, my guess is you got a Nvidia trade. Invest with Alex got a Nvidia trade. Johnny 9, you got a Nvidia trade. Do you guys? It sounds like a lot of people got Nvidia from Trade GPT. So here's Crypto Warrior. Crypto Warrior's asking me to do another trade. Now, I already asked. So this was the prompt I used this morning. I said I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis and recommendation. So what I'm doing is I'm asking an AI that's scanning through real-time stock market information to find this for me. Now we're gonna do another prompt. We're gonna do the other prompt here, guys. And this is gonna be like my second favorite prompt, and it's the intraday momentum trade. Now, this is like I don't do these trades for you guys to follow along with me. I'm just going to do it because I'm already at a profit here. I'm just going to start to play with some of the money I made. So I'm going to say I identify a stock showing strong intraday momentum and continue searching until you find a basic options contract that matches this criteria. Give me the information I am looking for. Give me only the information I am looking for. Provide the strike price, expiration date, and entry price. Joseph, that sounds really like drawn out and lame. I don't want to do that. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. Let's paste this prompt in. Showing a lot of resistance. What do we got? Let's see. Okay, so when I'm on TradeAlgo.com, this is like the way like you see the inside of what banks, institutions, and hedge funds are doing. I see a 90% call premium on Nvidia right now for contracts that expire within the next 13 days. Guys, TradeAlgo's regular terminal is phenomenal for doing stuff like this. Let me paste this prompt in. Let's see what it gives me. This is the prompt on how I found Lumen this week and did a 90% return. But yeah, Johnny, if you want to play it smart and like become disciplined, close out of your entire position. XLK, long call. Ooh, what is this? I'm just going to do it anyway. And then like you see all of these, like when you're on TradeAlgo's main dashboard, you can see all of these different stocks that you can select, and you can see like the option sentiment. You can switch from like 1 hour to 4 hour, really, really great stuff. And then you can select a stock here on TradeAlgo's main dashboard. And then you can go to Trade GPT and then have Trade GPT just right here when you use TradeAlgo's main platform. I'm gonna enter the trade with you now, 10K. Yeah, I mean Nikolai Tesla. Let's see what's going on here, because XLK, I don't want, because I don't know. Sometimes when it gives me these, I'm at 17% now on a video, guys. Let me see what's going on here on XLK. Let me see what's going on. 270 for 17th of October. Pretty far expiration date. 270. It's at 1170 right now. I'm just gonna market order this. And we'll do 6 contracts. We'll do 7 grand. Honestly, Nikolai Tesla, you should reach out to me and use TradeAlgo's main dashboard too, because we can do these kind of things live with you. All right, XLK. I just popped this in. I'm in XLK. I'll show you guys my entry right now. Crypto Warrior, are you following me, or did I just do this for no reason? This is XLK 270, 17th of October. I'm in here at 11:59 a.m. I just placed this right now. So this is my entry, 11:59, September 25th. So I just placed this. And then we're gonna pull up XLK. What's your win rate exclusively using the software? I'm at an 84% success rate. Let's see what happens here. Go to 1 minute. We're going to draw some take profit lines. Nikolai Tesla, did you do the option contract, or did you do the... And then what was my stop loss? Stop loss 1026. Okay. Take profit 1254. All right, that's fine. And then we'll do stop loss right here. Yeah, no, bro, I'm still in it. I'm up almost 20% on it. I'm up 16%, 1260. Let's see what happens here on XLK. You only bought the index. We'll see. I'm not liking this XLK as much as I like Nvidia. Because we had a huge jump on this morning. Let me follow along with this. Let's see what's going on here. All right, I'm almost up 20% on Nvidia, guys. I'm up 18.59%. What are you doing, Johnny? Where are we at, Johnny? Nvidia's going out of business. It sounds like bullshit. XLK. XLK. K-A-E-A-E-A. All right, I'm up $12 on XLK right now. I'm up $12 on XLK. Barely anything. Guys, this is nothing to glaze over. I'm just keeping you guys updated real time. XLK, I'm up $12. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. We're probably gonna take a dipski here. I knew this was gonna happen. I use just whatever stop Trade GPT gives me to manage my stops. Oh, bro, XLK's dumping. Can't win them all, bro. Can't win them all. Yeah, now I'm down $48 on XLK. Down 48, up 1400 on the video. God. I knew listening to Crypto Warrior when he told me to jump into another trade. I should have just been happy with my... Yeah, should I blame Crypto Warrior? Nah, I'm not going to blame anybody. It was my own choice. It was my own 7 Gs that I chose to risk. You say your stop on 278 on XLK? Okay. Good call. Bro, if you guys watch my streams, you guys see when I win and lose. Like, I don't have this, like, this tool isn't a 50% success rate either. Like, I won both of my trades yesterday. Oh man, this is getting hilarious. Nvidia is still crushing though. Nvidia is still crushing. What up, Juice World? You're gonna have to hold XLK for a minute. Yeah. I might. Nvidia short fill. You've just filled a Nvidia short. I'm hoping that we get to 182 today. That's my second take profit. It's really about what you're comfortable with, Juice World. Oh my god. Yeah, this is hilarious, bro. I should have just been happy with my 1,000, bro, and just stuck to the one trade a day. XLK is not really moving, no. It's like it's not moving, but it's also not doing like super good. Just made $1,000 streaming streamers. Good stuff. Down 1%. Yeah. Or did you take XLK too? Crypto Warrior, you understand why I don't do crypto with this, right? I'm telling you, bro, as soon as it hits that take profit line, I'm pulling my pants down and taking profit. I'm not looking for much here, guys. I'm not looking for much here. Yeah, I don't use it for crypto. I use it only for stock options. This isn't looking that good, honestly. I'm up 1,428. I haven't taken into account this XLM trade because I just trimmed. I just trimmed this. Do you teach how to do this? Yeah, I teach Felicia. I mean, like, you just have to learn as you watch. You have to just watch my streams. Hey, drop a like on the stream, guys. Drop a like on the stream if you're in here. How much have I realized? I'm down 1.51% on XLM. I'm down $108. I have realized. Let me see here. 952 locked and loaded, like profit trimmed and sold. I could sell out of this Nvidia 165 right now and grab 1,000. Like, I could sell my entire position, but I wanted to hit this take profit too. I'm kind of gambling at this point. If you guys are in this Nvidia trade, you should sell because we're up right now. We're cooking. XLM's shitting, like, literally kicking me in the balls. If I lose 120 on XLM but grab grand of Nvidia, we're still cooking, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. We're gonna get stopped out. We're gonna get stopped out at XLK. Fucking crypto warrior, man. If we go back to this take profit line, I'm gonna take whole profit. Yeah, dude, XLM's gonna hit. Fix the price or stop loss. Why are you grabbing calls? Because Joseph Foreman, Trade GPT told me to. You exited at SLK. That's a good and bad decision. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not licensed, remember. I'm just a degenerate. Oh, bro, holy shit. Yeah, we just hit it. GG's. GG's. I lost. How much did I lose here? I lost 180 bucks. It's not a big deal. All right, we can forget about XLK. I'm putting XLK on a shelf. Watch, we're gonna take a look at XLK tomorrow, and this thing's gonna be at 1 or 280. Guys, this is what happens. You lose money sometimes. It's not like this. There's no crystal ball. No, it wasn't. It wasn't that bad. I lost 180 bucks. It wasn't that bad. That's the cool part about Trade GPT. Might try to run again. Let's see. Watch, it's gonna run again. I'm gonna keep my eye on XL. I'm gonna keep an eye on XLK just because I want the FOMO. I want the heart palpitations. My first girlfriend gave me heart palpitations. What's crazy is, guys, look, it literally just like creeped past the stop loss barely, and then it hit it. I'm gonna trim Nvidia here. Oh my god, yeah. We'll see what happens here. Look at this, guys. Little liquidity sweep, probably, yeah. We go down from here. You're thinking that, Matt? Matt, are you using Trade GPT? That's how I found these trades. It's not Chat GPT. It's not Chat GPT plugin. Let's see. I'm gonna post my update on a video right now. I'm gonna grab my update. I'm at 14% profit, 1,200. Or at yeah, 15% profit. You guys are awesome, man. I love doing these streams with you guys. So I went from 18% to 15% with this little dance it's doing right now. XLK, let's see here. We're gonna this thing might collapse. Drop a like on the stream and a sub. Drop a sub and a like. Our entry was here. There's no point in being scared. Scared money doesn't make money. Yeah, look at this shit, bro. I mean, dude, XLK was as high as 282 on the 23rd this week. So we'll see what happens. Winning is winning. Yeah, exactly. No, bro, I'm not I'm a huge shareholder in Trade GPT, right? But like, there's no crystal ball. I've made I mean 80 grand in 5 weeks from using this tool and trading just like I'm trading in front of you guys every day. I had Cracker Barrel for like 19 grand. I hit Open. If it breaks out to 277.90. Are you talking about XLK? The way down is serious. Came back for fat gains, exactly. Guys, use Trade GPT. Just like Alex says, it takes the emotion out of investing. You know what we're gonna do to get my mind off this? We're gonna do a trivia question. Not all the way. Not all the way. Yes, I'm still in the video. I didn't trim at all. I trimmed once at my first take profit line. Should I guys? Should I get out of the video? You think I should? Do you think I should hop out here with? Should we be a dumbass and do another trade, or should we be happy? This is my Nvidia trade right now. Mic keeps cutting out. Is the mic cutting out for anyone else? Dude, XLK is looking like a mess. Dude, what is XLK? Does anyone know, like, can anyone tell me technology sector? Oh, it's a index. Should I help out? Okay, everyone's telling me to get out of Nvidia. All right, I'm gonna close out of Nvidia. I'll show my sell order. You guys can see. Guys, I don't know. I'm at 17%. Should I wait till it's 20% profit? Joseph Foreman, I'm only taking what Trade GPT is giving me. My boy. Nvidia is a strong part of it. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, we already hit it. We're out of, like, I am out of XLK. I do like the idea of this ETF though. All right, I'm out. I'm hopping out in Nvidia. No, guys, I'm up 1400. Hold on. I'm gonna exit out. I'm not gonna. I probably won't stick around till take profit too, but we can grab guys. We can grab 20% out of this. This is where you gamble. This is like where you watch it. This is where you watch a 26-year-old gamble, and you don't have to risk any money. You just can watch me. You can just watch me put this on my shoulders. The tides could be changing. Matt, don't say well done yet. Don't say well done yet, big dog. Everyone feels smart in a bull market. Bro, I don't feel smart in any market. I just use Trade GPT, and I'm a bot. I just copy and paste. You made more than what I take home for the week. I learned this stuff from Trade GPT. Just got to follow the program. Yeah, exactly. The chain was very thin on XLM. Guys, I'm almost at 19% on Nvidia. Man, this is where I'm gambling. I'm not listening to anyone. I really should trim. I should at least trim. Yeah, seriously. They always make fun of me. My dad's name. No, bro. Like, you can let anyone say whatever. If any, like, bros saying everyone feels smart in a bull market, bro. I've been doing this for like a very long time. I mean, this might be Nikolai Tesla, Crypto Warrior, Patrick. This is going to be and Don. This is your first time watching me live trade. I think. Oh, fuck, dude. I'm back down to 17% on the video. Yeah, XLK shit the bed, just like you guys said. Good call. That was a great stop. I only lost $100 or 108. What was the last time you entered? Guys, I did a put on Lumen this week. He's a clown. He's just talking nonsense. Don't respond to him, Paul. I've watched a few days. Yeah, you guys have seen me make a lot of money this week. You guys see me do a put on XLM, or not XLM? Fuck. You guys see? I wish I did a put on XLM. You guys see me do a put on Lumen on Monday? Your money will end up in my bank account. Thank you, bro. I mean, thanks for giving me, the consideration. So I'm out on a video right now. How can I make quick money off 5K? I don't know, honestly. I have no idea. 17%. How much you invested into Nvidia? I did these 165 guys. So I asked Trade GPT this morning. I said I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, and they gave me this 165. Now I had taken this yesterday, and I was still in this exact trade right at around like 30 cents difference from 1170 to I was in at like 1180. And so I kept it, right? I just didn't place anything, and I just held this Nvidia contract with this 165. It's pronounced Nvidia, my guy. Nvidia. It's pronounced Nuhvudia. It's pronounced Nvidia. And I did 7,600 on it. So 7,600. Bro said I'm slick. You think I'm good? Maybe not. Yeah, this is the mind of a trader. I mean, Jensen could have it wrong. Jensen could have it wrong. I like that. Yeah, I'm closing out, guys. Nvidia is getting closed out of. I'm selling contracts. GG's, boys. GG's. We made a. We grabbed. We went from. We sold at 14.95. We filled at 14.95 on the video. So we grabbed. I'm out. I'm out of Nvidia. I'm in New York. GG's, right? I mean, yeah, guys, we made 1,000. We made 1,000 easy on this today. We're out. We're out. We're out. We grabbed it at 16% return. Just I literally only make my trade GPT calls. How much is rent in New York? I pay like $6,000 a month, and then I have a place in Vegas that I have a mortgage on, that's like 3,600. So I have a couple of different spots in a couple different places. Johnny, Chat GPT is not. Is Chat GPT Trade GPT? No, Trade GPT is not Chat GPT. It's OV. Yeah, guys, I'm out. I'm out of Nvidia. I'm out of Nvidia. I'm out. We can just drop big old X. I have made money. We'll watch it for a bit, though. We'll watch it for a bit. You guys want to just see if we ask Trade GPT? You guys want to look at these prompts? I'm going to slow read these prompts, and then if any prompt sounds interesting to you guys, I want you guys to call it out. Go by the number, and then we'll have some fun here. So, and then you guys have the prompt pack, right? A lot of you guys should have the prompt pack. But the first thing is this is a really good prompt. I've made a lot of money on this prompt. This options trade for the last hour of the day. Then you have your weekly swing trade, right? This probably wouldn't be the best one to do on a Thursday. Okay. Then you have a basic options trade. You have an intraday momentum trade. You have an earnings report play prompt. You have a sector rotation strategy. And if I'm going too fast with these, let me know. You have a hedge trade for portfolio protection, right? All of these prompts are awesome. I just have, like, I want to stick to the basic ones. So a high dividend yield play. A contrarian option strategy. Choose a currently unperforming stocks with reversal signs. Choose me the most optimal basic options trade to take. Leverage ETF options trade. Calendar spread for volatility. A breakout trade for technical analysis. An undervalued stock trade. Trading stocks near their support levels. This used to be my favorite prompt. Turn Trade GPT into a personal guru. When I didn't know shit, I would use this one. I don't use margin. I paid. I have my own cash. Amen. The people watching. What is that? What do you mean, Don? Any of these kind of stick out to you guys? Any of these prompts stick out to you? Julio, if you DM me on Instagram, follow me and DM me on Instagram, I'll send you this prompt. These prompts. I have used all 100. Like I said, I've been doing this for a long time, but I would kind of mess around with these. Like some of these prompts from like 40 to like 100 to me just aren't as fun. Guys, if you guys want to do one, what's the first prompt is the last hour of the day, bro. Number one is options trade for the last hour of the day. Don, why 1, bro? It's not the last hour of the day. Like, give me the reasoning. Yeah, Jensen's not punching me today. Jensen Huang gave me a little kiss on the cheek today. What's your rationality behind 1, Don? Maybe you can teach me something here. But Alex, you asked a good question. When's the last time I did a put? I did a put on Monday. Eric says 2. I'm putting around 10 grand a trade. What car do I have? I have a Porsche and I have a Jaguar. Yeah, my prompt that's performed the best by far is this one, bro. Is number 3. That's the reason I start every day with the same prompt. Is basic options trade. Don, why? Can we see the Porsche? It's a Macan. It's a Macan Sport. Let me see if I have a picture of it. You know, I guess you guys know I have a picture of it. I have a couple different pictures of it. Are you from a wealthy family? Fuck no. No. I am a grinder, bro. This is one of my cars. And you're asking me to do this. I'm not just showing you to flex. This is one of them. There she is. Guys, you guys want to know what my license plate is? My license plate's tough. But you gotta be fast. Dude, I'm just gonna literally follow what Trade GPT says. Is it a girl or a guy? I don't know. (2020) Toyota RAV4, tough. That's tough. Those are sick. Dude, I love RAV4s, bro. These are sick. And you can pretty much do anything in these. What color is it? Volume. Let's look. What did you do for earning a living on trading? I mean, I learned coding. I've been I've been very lucky with crypto. Black, that's sick. You want to buy a Tesla Model Y? Bro, I had a Tesla. And it was ass. I didn't like it at all. It was like very shaky. It was a Model 3 though. Let's see what XLK is at. Oh yeah, guys, look at. I'm glad XLK is toasted. I should just exit out of this page. True. Yeah, all my boys who have autonomous driving, they geek out over it. I have a Ferrari SF90 Stradalade. Is that Stradale? Nikolai Tesla, where are you at in the world? Him's $55 call. I'm gonna ask Trade GPT for a HIMS contract, but I'm not gonna take it, guys. I'm not taking this trade. I'm just gonna say, give me an options trade for HIMS. Make it a simple buy. Israel. Oh yeah, my bad. You told me that already. Long call, 49, 3rd of October. And remember, guys, you can always ask Trade GPT for the justification behind the trade. Stradale. Thank you, bro. Thank you. It's telling me 49. We'll follow this. Thank you, Simon. What was it telling us to do? 49. This thing's all over the place. What was the ask 605 and take profit 666? I'm not taking this trade, by the way, guys. I'm just following along with someone told me to look at him, so we're just gonna follow. I just asked Trade GPT for a him trade. Stop loss 544. Dude, that's really tight. Trade GPT gave me a really tight trade, but also gave me a kind of a whack entry. I was gonna put this at like 530. Can you guys see this clearly? Ask him about Tesla options. Stop 188. Are you talking about for HIMS, bro? Or no? What are you talking about? For Tesla? For Nvidia? What's up with that shirt you have on? What's up, Eric Goings? Let me see your shirt, bro. How much money have I made? I mean, since I started streaming live with Trade GPT, just around like 80, 90,000. Today, like, would be like 80, 87,000. But I've never been so more aggressive than I am right now. You guys think? Hey, what do you think about this HIMS play, Don? You think this is worth a 570 entry, or a 565 entry? This is the options chart, though. This isn't the stock chart, guys. This is like I'm on the trade algo options chain right now. Drop a like on the stream. Lock in spy. No way. Is it actually? Nvidia getting busy. Hold on. We're gonna pull up XLK. What was our damn? None of my lines saved. We drew this at 179. Breeze with me, California breeze. Got to eat, party, in the big house. I'm not gonna add any text. You guys think Hims is a play right now? I'm not in any trades right now, guys. I'm not in any trades right now. I use Weeble, Thomas Sunders. Which expiration? October 3rd. This is the chart for the option. Definitely looks interesting. You can't stand what company? Hims? Why can't you stand Hims? You think they're profiting off of erectile dysfunction? Get ready to hop in on Hims, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna take Hims. I don't know if I'm gonna take it. How much you invest to make that much? I'm doing about 10 grand a trade on a. I had a $200,000 brokerage back 5 weeks ago. Nvidia, guys, we're not getting much. We caught some action here already. There's a reason I started at 11 a.m. right? Because the institutional orders have to normalize. You think if I ask Trade GPT for an options trade right now, guys, do you think it's gonna give? You think if I did prompt 3 right now, if I did this prompt basic options trade, it's gonna give me another Nvidia trade? Let's see what it does. I don't know if I'm gonna take any more because I already made my 1,000. Let's see. I just put this in. Let's see what it says. Hims looks decent. It's gonna give me like a short put on a video. Watch. Long call Nvidia 165. Yeah, bro, it's literally the same contract I was just in that expires tomorrow. I'm good. I'm good off this, bro. I'm cool. It's telling me to do this, but I'm not doing this. I already made my 1,000 from Nvidia today, from Trade GPT. So shout out Trade GPT. Hims is shitting itself. No, it's not. Not yet. How many pips? Pips are percents, right? I did 20 pips. Pips are percent, right? Yeah, it's a forex thing. Well, define pips. Someone define pips for me. Performance improvement plan? Dude, what the fuck does that mean? No, I've got my whole marketing team. I've got both of my content managers. I've got the head of Trade Algo's regular social media here, Michael Daly, and then I've got the lead editor. Bro, don't miss Nvidia. You think I should take Nvidia right now? Some, like, kind of. Yeah, I'm in the Trade Algo office right now. $179.93. Bro, I did not take the Nvidia trade, bro. I did not take any other trades. Remember, we got in like here, and then we took profit here. Literally played this perfectly, bro. Easy. Oh, you're talking about a put. Maybe not, bro. I'm good. Oh, guys, it would break my taboo. I only do what Trade GPT tells me to do. Quick $1,200 scalp. Are you doing these? When you tell me you're doing them, are you doing them, Don? No, they don't pay me to stream. I stream in between me making ads. I'm like if you guys look at the Trade Algo social media, it's me and Michael creating ads and other stuff like that. Yeah, bro, we still grabbed our 1,000 Nikolai Tesla. We still did our thing today. We hit our stop loss on XLK, right, which is fine. What's Hims doing? Hims isn't really doing much. Yeah, bro, we still made a Raki in a crazy market. Yeah, great day today. Great day today. Great day today, boys. Great stuff, man. Everybody, good job. Does anyone need the prompt pack? Because I'm gonna go live again at 3. Yeah, maybe we should do a trivia game, guys. Yeah, clear out the head, come back at 3, see what happened in the market. Yeah, you're out for the day. Yeah, I'm good. Guys, we're good. We made money. Tony Reeves. Guys, if you Thomas Saunders, do you guys have Instagram? Because you guys can follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna do like a school group or something like that. But if you guys have Instagram, follow my Instagram because you can DM me on there and I respond to all my DMs. Give me a second. I need to ingest NICOTINE. We're gonna do a trivia question. Follow me on IG if you don't have IG, you can email me, and I'll send you prompts. Don, have you, bro? You should try Trade GPT, bro. This is my Instagram right here. We're gonna do a trivia question in like 2 minutes. I just want to make sure you guys are following my IG. And then, guys, if you look here too, this is the company, right? This is Trade Algo and TradeAlgo.co. So it's me, it's myself, and then lead content like manager for Trade Algo is Michael Daly. So this is Michael, this good looking guy right here. He's like 6'3". So Michael and myself, we run all the ads and we do all the marketing content, and then we have Anthony Scott, who's he's like managing director and editor. What's my email and what's my Instagram? Guys, if you have Instagram, just Instagram me. He's like 6'3", for real. He's like 6'3", minus 2 feet. But yeah, go show some love to the regular Trade Algo Instagram too. Yeah, this is my Instagram. This is when I was a little bit heavier, that profile picture. My Instagram name is Algo AI Trading. I just have more of like a personality where I like talking to people, and I missed like my like I just that's just my personality. We're out, boys. We cooked with Nvidia today. Yeah, drop a follow on Instagram and DM me and just say prompts, and I'll send you the prompts. But let's do a trivia question. We're long overdue. All right, this is gonna be a worldwide question. This is like a question that anyone in the world could answer. It's not gonna be. Eric has his AI ready, dude. Eric's a winner, bro. Eric's won 130. Hope the O ain't got a hold of you. Who's the CEO of Trade Algo? Carlos Cruz. That's like all public information. Okay, Felicia McKenzie. Alex is at 40. Alex is. Are you at 40, bro? Alex, did you make another 20 yesterday? Yeah, I think you did. Yeah, you did. I didn't update it. Guys, this is my Instagram. This is the Instagram username. Algo AI Trading. Are you guys ready? We're going to do trivia question in 10 seconds. The video is down. You did not update it. No, bro, I'm out of Nvidia, Johnny. I updated it yesterday. No, okay, yeah. But I told you guys. Remember when I was like yesterday? I'm like, I'm not gonna sell out of this because I still think it's bullish. Yeah, no, I didn't. I didn't even know. I didn't go trim or anything because I was still bullish. All right, we're gonna do a trivia question in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What does sushi literally translate to in Japanese? What does sushi literally translate to in Japanese? What does sushi literally translate to in Japanese? Eric Goins is correct. It's sour rice. Sour rice is correct. It was Nikolai Tesla and Eric both got it right, but Eric was first. Sour rice is correct. Sour rice is correct. Eric G came back out of nowhere. Eric, you took a break. 150. I'm gonna send you 20 right now. No, fish is incorrect, bro. Fish is incorrect. If you guys said fish, go take a lap. All right, I'm going to I'm gonna send Eric 20 right now. Give me a second. Eric, drop a thumbs up once you get the 20. Hold on, I haven't sent it yet. Yep. I've got your ETH address right here. Give me a second. All right, I just sent it. Travayu, have you won before? Yeah, that's a good point, Alex. All right, Eric, good job. Nikolai Tesla, did you win more than 20 yesterday? I want to just make sure everything's updated. No, just 20. Okay, cool. All right, guys, this has been lit. I'm gonna be back at 3. We'll do more trivia. We'll do like some more fun shit. Don says fuck. What are you saying fuck about, bro? Oh, dude, did Hims cook? Not really. Bro, my internet's slow. All right, guys. We'll do more trivia later today. Felicia McKenzie, if you search up algo AI trading, you find me. No, I might. No, I'm not gonna do anymore. I already made my 1,000. There's no reason for me to push the envelope any harder. Felicia, did you find me on Instagram? Hey, you just followed me. All right. Send me a DM and I'll send you the prompts. Look at my Nvidia K with 10K. I could have been up 4K. Yeah, you could have, bro. But I just don't listen. I only listen to Trade GPT. It breaks the taboo of the stream. I'm loyal to the AI, guys. I'm a slave to Trade GPT. Are you Pomeranian Sparkles? Yeah, Mike, I got you. I'm gonna send you the I'll send you the prompts right now. John, hop back on later on today, and we'll see what Nvidia does. Yeah, 3 Eastern time. Thomas Summers. Okay, I'm gonna send you the prompts, Felicia. Guys, remember, if you use these prompts with regular ChatGPT, like, you deserve to lose money, because I say it a million times a stream. I do not use ChatGPT. Yeah, trivia is over for this live. We're gonna hop back on at 3, do some more. I gotta do like marketing stuff. I'm feeling FOMO about him. Nah, bro, we added so many names. Are you talking about we added so many names yesterday? You gotta think about it, bro. There's not like I'm not like a famous person. There's not like a million people on my stream. Guys, just wait till my streams get more and more popping, and then you guys are competing with like 1,000 people. If God willing, right? If these streams take off. I do not use ChatGPT Liquidity Prodigy. I use Trade GPT by Trade Algo. It is not ChatGPT. It is Trade GPT by Trade Algo. Rob Aldridge, how you feeling, bro? Good to see you back. Rob, you're being consistent. How do I get to use it, please? Guys, it's free. The link is pinned in the comment section. It's pinned by me. Trade GPT free. It's Trade GPT free. It's pinned in the comment section. Supposed to do 3 times for my Tesla guy there. When next trivia, please? We're doing trivia at 3 p.m. Liquidity Prodigy. Liquidator Prodigy. All right. We'll wrap it up here. We've been on for an hour 42. 3 p.m. Eastern, yeah. 3 p.m. Eastern. I got to film some marketing stuff. We have some stuff planned for today. Mikey's got some good ideas. We're gonna go rock and roll. Appreciate you, boss. We'll be back. Yeah, guys. It's been great. It's been fire. This has been fun. We'll hop out and we'll go live again. I'll see you guys later.